Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Citrus Hills local and long distance movers near me. Hiring a moving company renowned for their expertise and good knowledge of the city is essential concerning local relocation. Since relocation requires professional service delivery, where any fault could result in extra expenses, it is safe to give 3 Movers, Citrus Hills' most recommended movers, the responsibility of managing your relocation, being fully convinced of their professionalism in service delivery. Over 97% of previous clients recommend this moving service for local relocation. Their competent team is excellent in offering packing and crating services, overseeing a hitch-free process with all belongings intact. They have good knowledge of this city, having facilitated moving within Citrus Hills for several years. You can bank on their professional suggestion to make a conclusion about the neighborhood in Citrus Hills that you are moving into. Expect an efficient, prompt service delivery when you employ their services to handle your relocation. You will be charged per hour for their services. Save yourself time and get the best relocation services in town by employing 3 Movers to handle your long-distance relocation. The benefits? A hitch-free and cost-effective relocation to this town. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Citrus Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form. Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Citrus Park local and long-distance movers near me. Moving over 50 miles from your current location is a long-distance move. This type of move requires adequate planning. We have highly trained movers, and they handle your items with care, which prevents damages. Our trucks are ideal for transporting items over long distances. They are spacious and of the best quality. Our drivers are careful but are fast in getting your belongings to you on time. As a result, there is no form of delay. We have valid licenses from authorities in charge of long-distance trips. Our insurance plans also cover the risks during the move. 3 Movers provide the best local moving service in Citrus Park. Although we render the best local moves, our services are affordable. We charge between $30 to $40 per hour. Locals highly recommend us because of our standard moving service and our rates. We also provide exceptional customer service. Our local moves are fast, efficient, and very affordable. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Citrus Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.